Hey, what's going on? Steve with Adventure Off-Road X here with unboxing. Also, take a look at this tire rack. We just got it done, custom made by Outlaw Off-Road in 4x4 here in Ocala, Florida. Look them up, guys. They do some awesome stuff. So, pull it up. Got a couple of things. Got this water tank from Ironman 4x4. So it's a 13-gallon tank. Pretty dope. We're getting ready for the Moab trip. We're going to Easter Safari. So we can't wait, man. It's going to be really cool, this group of us, and we're all just kind of getting prepped up and ready to go. So I can't wait to get this fit in and look for that install video. But here is the cool part. So I'll be honest, I went back and forth. Took me about a month to look at all the different brands and so forth, and finally settled with this one. This is a SetPower RV45S. It's a single zone, but you can actually do freeze. You can use it as a freezer, or you can use it as a refrigerator. So it gives you that dual purpose, whichever you want to carry. But I went with this one because honestly, most of the stuff I'm going to deal with is refrigeration. So can't wait to use this. Just got it today, so I wanted to show you guys what you get. So this is it. I went with this one. It's going to be outside mostly in the elements. I really like that it's a metal design, so you can actually, if you have a magnet or lights or something, you can hang it on the side. These latches, man, that's pretty nice, especially when you're flopping around, going through trails. So inside here comes with two baskets, some hardware. So far, I mean, everything that I read has been really good reviews. So if you get a chance, check them out. SetPower. This is the RV45S. They do have a dual zone, so you can set, a divider in here it'll do a freezer or a fridge. It's a little different. It's plastic. I opt out of it because, again, I wanted this nice metal design. So look forward to using it, and as the adventure goes, I'll keep everybody posted and let you know my thoughts and see how it goes. So again, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just bought this out of my own will. Saw some good reviews from a lot of good people, so decided to check it out. So stay tuned for that. I'll definitely be talking more about it. Catch you on the next one. So here's a little walk around the fridge. I'm still waiting on the slide rack and also the insulated cover. I went with the cover just because it's going to be out in the elements with the water and the mud, the dirt. Just give it that little extra barrier of protection. The other thing I like is the control panel is nice and easy to read. You can set your settings. It has a high, medium, and low for your battery, so you don't have to worry about coming out to a dead battery in the morning. And then also the racks on the inside, those are really nice and handy. You can pull them out, you can put all your stuff in, put it back in, nice and easy. So I'll keep everybody posted of how it went and have an actual review of it.